itong si Rizzo Antiveros gusto na naman pagpaliwanagan si Duterte patungkol sa formali. Samantalang 7 buwan nila yang inimbestigahan noon sa Senado. Hindi pa din ba sapat sa inyong dalawa ni Gordon ang paliwanag kung bakit may nilipat na pondo galing sa DOH papunta sa DBM? O talagang ayaw nyo lang makinig at pilit lang na idadawit si Duterte sa mga bintang ninyo ni Gordon? Ito ang paliwanag ni President Duterte kung bakit niya inaprobahan ang paglipat ng pera sa DOH papunta sa DBM. Dahil sa panahon na ito ay mayroong matinding pandemic sa bansa dahil sa COVID-19. Sa mga panahong iyon hindi lang pasyente ang problema ng bansa, kundi pati na din ng mga doktor at nurses dahil sa wala silang sapat na proteksyon laban sa virus. Kaya kailangan ng agarang aksyon ng gobyerno upang mapabilis ang pagbili ng mga kailangang proteksyon ng mga doktor.
But in the Senate hearing, the procurement of the alleged overpriced face masks and shields, including the transfer of 42 billion from DOH to PSDBM, was brought up. Kasali ito sa investigasyon. According to PSDBM, these items were procured last March to April 2020 at the height of the COVID-19 outbreak, when the prices of the medical supplies, including face mask and face shield, skyrocketed due to the scarcity of the supply and the abrupt increase in demand. As for the transfer of funds without memorandum of agreement, FOA, face masks and shields are included in the common use supplies and equipment on the list of the PSDBM. Under the Administrative Order Number 7, Series of 2011, in relation to Section 53E RA Number 9184 of the Procurement Reform Act, government agencies are required to procure CSEs directly from PSDBM. Moreover, under Government Procurement Policy Board Resolution Number 2019, dated October of 2018, government agencies are required to deposit cash funds with the PSDBM for the CE requirement, without the need of a MOA. I remember, cabinet meeting tayo, pagka, right after I constituted the task force. I remember distinctly, sinabi ko kay Secretary Duque, bumili ka ng kailangan ng face mask or whatever is needed, equipments. Sabi ko, wag ka nang magbidding, matagal yan. Sabi ko, do it upon, sabi mo, make it of record na utos ko. But despite of the order ko na wag ka nang magbidding, it's pandemic. It's an emergency.
There you go.
Nevertheless, I knew later on that dumaan pa rin sa bidding si Secretary Duque. So, he was just being careful. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, nung pagputok nitong pandemic, walang mga face mask, walang face shield.
Totoo.
Kaya sabi ko, maghanap ka, huwag ka na magpa-bidding. Sabi ko, diretso na kasi in an emergency. So, at that time, it's always the law of supply and demand.
Totoo.
Kung maraming supply, mura. Kung walang supply, less demand. Supply and demand. Is there a demand? Pag later, supply. Ganito, so sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka nang pabidding-bidding, diretso na. So I want to make it a record to the public and everybody that I and the cabinet knew about it. Kung may order, sabi ko, go ahead and buy the things that you need to fight the pandemic nga eh. So sabi ko, emergency ito. Emergency hanggang ngayon. So just to disabuse the minds of some people about corruption.
There you go.
It ain't here at this time. And I suppose that you are barking at the wrong person.
Ayan Rize at Gordon, napakalinaw na paliwanag ni PRRD. Bakit kaya ayaw niyo makinig?